Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering on and preparing the Beats Flex so pairing is immediate. Hold the power button for 1 second until the LED flashes. This places the headphones in discoverable mode. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and stay on the Bluetooth screen so the device can scan. Disable other nearby Bluetooth audio devices to avoid interference. Make sure the Beats are within 3 meters of the phone, and once the LED blinks, you're ready to proceed to the pairing step. Once discoverable, select Beats Flex from your phone's Bluetooth list. It may appear as Beats Flex or the model code. Tap the name and, if prompted, confirm the pairing request or enter PIN0000. This is rare but keeps the process smooth. After you select it, listen for the confirmation tone from the headphones and watch for the phone's connected status. This confirms the link. If you use a Mac or PC, choose Beats Flex in the sound output settings to route audio immediately. Finalize by playing audio and testing the mic to confirm both streams work. Adjust volume on the phone and on the inline controls so levels match. If pairing fails, reset the headphones by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes, then retry. Also, reboot your phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and remove any stale Beats entries from the device list before reattempting. This clears conflicts and usually resolves persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.